Hi there, it's Mike here from Harraway Cars, based down in Weston Super Mare. We'll take a minute to walk around this 2016 16 reg Peugeot Partner 1.6 Petrol wheelchair accessible vehicle we have with us for sale at the minute. So this one's done 21,000 miles from new. It's converted by alloyed vehicles. Now seating for 3 plus space for your wheelchair or mobility scooter. So 2 chairs in the front, 1 chair in the rear. Also comes with an electric winch, that's what you can see in the centre, with the yellow ribbon and the carabiner clips. There's a lightweight ramp on the rear, so it's nice and easy to operate. One hand there to lift that up. Also comes with a fold flat function. So there you go, you can fold the ramp into the vehicle, give you a flat boot floor if needed. Also comes with a rear parking sensor, that's what the little black dot is there on the bumper. Also has rear privacy glass, that'll keep it a bit cool and a bit more private. So as you can see, it's all nice and clean and tidy. So the vehicle comes with a full service history. It was an Ex Motability vehicle, so it's had 1 previous owner. So it also has front LED daytime running lights on the bumper. Let's take you inside. So there you go. So all your CD radio, also has Bluetooth, so you can pair your mobile phone up with it as well. Air conditioning, so your controls there for your electric windows. Also has a passenger airbag, so along with the driver's airbag. Front armrest, it also has height adjustment for the driver's seat. 2 keys, so your electric mirror adjustment, your traction control. That's your third rear seat there. So there you have it. If that's of interest, or you've got any more questions about the vehicle, then please do get in touch. Either give me a call or send me an email. Thanks for watching.